Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So in this video I will show you how to remove someone from Instagram group. So this is my Instagram account. If you like, you can follow me over here. So I will go to some Instagram group here. So for example, you can see this is an Instagram group. So if I will click on this one, so I will no go back and click on members. Okay, so for example, select any user that you want to remove from this group. So what you need to do, you need to click on this three dot here beside the name. So here you will get the option as remove user. So once you will click on remove user, you can see this user will be removed from this group. Okay, so if you want to make admin to someone, just click on three dot and click on make admin. So this person will be also an admin of this Instagram group. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.